Looking for a smarter way to cook delicious meals quickly? The top 5 best electric pressure cooker in this year makes everyday cooking effortless, locking in flavor while saving time. Perfect for busy kitchens, it's versatile, energy efficient, and delivers consistent results every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Instant Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Electric Pressure Cooker is designed to simplify everyday cooking with impressive versatility and speed. Featuring 7 cooking functions, it combines multiple appliances into one, acting as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Its 13 customizable smart programs make it easy to prepare anything from soups to cakes at the touch of a button, which is especially convenient for busy households that want consistent results without constant monitoring. One of its standout features is the easy-release steam switch, which ensures that steam can be released quickly and safely every time, making it beginner-friendly and secure for family use. Compared to traditional slow cooking methods, this model helps prepare meals up to 70% faster, making it ideal for weeknight dinners when time is limited. The 8-quart stainless steel cooking pot is large enough to prepare meals for big families or gatherings, serving up to 8 people at once. The pot itself is made from durable 18/8 stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, which not only distributes heat evenly, but also allows for professional-style searing and sautéing. This design ensures that food is flavorful and well-cooked without sticking or burning. With its large capacity and user-friendly interface, it's perfect for batch cooking or meal prepping, helping reduce kitchen stress. The Instant Electric Pressure Cooker strikes a balance between power, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent option for home chefs looking to upgrade their kitchen. Number 2. Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker continues to stand out as a trusted kitchen companion, offering impressive functionality and safety features. This model integrates 10 cooking functions into a single unit, making it possible to pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, steam, bake, and even prepare yogurt and rice. With 28 customizable one-touch programs, it offers unmatched flexibility, letting you switch from preparing simple rice dishes to more complex recipes like baked desserts with ease. Its 1,200-watt power and efficient design allow for preheating that's 20% faster, while still cutting down cooking time by up to 70% compared to slow cooking methods, saving both time and energy. Ease of use is another area where this appliance excels. The gentle steam release switch combined with a diffusing cover ensures a quiet and safe release of pressure, making it stress-free for those unfamiliar with pressure cookers. Its 6-quart capacity makes it suitable for small to medium-sized families, accommodating up to 6 servings in a single cook cycle. Cleanup is also effortless thanks to its dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, which eliminate the hassle of hand washing after large meals. Safety is prioritized with overheat protection, an auto-sealing safety lid lock, and sturdy inner pot handles, all of which make it reliable for long-term use. For those looking for convenience, safety, and cooking precision, the Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker provides exceptional value. It's versatile enough to replace multiple appliances in your kitchen, and its intuitive design ensures delicious results every time. Number 3. COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is a feature-rich and thoughtfully designed appliance that brings advanced safety and convenience to modern kitchens. It combines 9 machines in one, offering functions such as pressure cooking, rice making, steaming, sterilizing, oatmeal/porridge, broth, beans, meat, slow cooking, sautéing, sous vide, and even fermenting. With such wide-ranging versatility, it's an all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to minimize clutter without compromising on cooking options. The real-time progress bar on its display allows users to monitor cooking easily at a glance, ensuring better control over recipes. Safety is a key highlight of this model. Its seal/vent button is positioned away from the steam release valve, and its 30 degrees backward-angled venting system ensures safer and easier steam release. It also boasts 12 built-in safety features, including a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection, which enhance user confidence while cooking under pressure. The lid locking system is intuitive, with simple alignment to secure the pot, making operation beginner-friendly. Cleaning is also hassle-free, thanks to the stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant exterior, a widened pot gap, and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Number 4. COMFEE Electric Pressure Cooker. The COMFEE Electric Pressure Cooker is a multifunctional appliance built to cover almost every cooking need in one compact unit. With 9-in-1 versatility, it serves as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, egg maker, cake maker, sauté pan, and food warmer. To make things even easier, it includes 14 preset cooking functions tailored to a wide range of recipes such as meat, broth, beans, oatmeal, and more, which allows home cooks to prepare meals quickly and confidently. This preset system is particularly convenient for beginners who want precise results without guesswork. Safety is a strong focus of this model, with 10 professional safety features built in. From overheat protection and auto pressure release to a lid safety lock system, these functions provide extra peace of mind for families. Its 24-hour intelligent delay timer is another valuable feature, allowing users to schedule meals ahead of time and enjoy freshly cooked dishes whenever needed. Whether you're meal prepping in the morning or planning dinner for later, this flexibility helps simplify daily routines. The cooker also comes with a generous set of accessories, including a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord, making it immediately functional right out of the box. With such versatility, it's ideal for households seeking one appliance that can replace several others, saving both counter space and money. Number 5. COMFEE 16 Electric Pressure Cooker. The COMFEE 16 Electric Pressure Cooker takes versatility to the next level with an expanded range of options and a larger cooking capacity. Designed with 16 programmable preset functions, it enables effortless preparation of diverse meals such as meat, broth, beans, oatmeal, rice, and more. This expanded range allows for greater flexibility, ensuring that home cooks can experiment with a variety of recipes without needing multiple appliances. Its standout feature is the 8-core capacity, which can handle up to 20 cups of cooked rice, large enough to feed 6 to 8 people at once. This makes it ideal for big families, parties, or meal prepping for the week. In terms of safety, the COMFEE 16 is equipped with 10 professional safety features, including overheat protection, auto pressure release, and a secure lid locking system. These mechanisms ensure safe operation even during heavy use. For added convenience, the 24-hour delay timer allows you to schedule meals ahead, so dinner is ready exactly when you want it. This flexibility is perfect for busy households that need their cooking appliances to fit around their lifestyle rather than the other way around. Like its smaller sibling, this model also includes a full set of helpful accessories: spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord. Its stainless steel build and thoughtful design make it not only durable, but also easy to clean and maintain. With its larger capacity and expanded presets, the COMFEE 16 Electric Pressure Cooker is best suited for households that frequently host gatherings or prepare large family meals. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.